Exercise 5.2, question number 7. A is minus 1 comma 1, B is 1 comma 3 and C is 3 comma A are points, and if AB is equal to BC, then find A. So which belongs to the page number 203. Solution: distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. First you have to find the distance of AB. So this is A coordinate, this is B coordinate. This will be the value of x1, y1 and x2, y2. So substitute the values. x2 is 1 and x1 is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 the whole square plus y2 value is 3 minus y1 value is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 is 2 the whole square, which is equal to root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. Next you have to find the distance of BC. So B point is 1 comma 3 and C point is 3 comma A. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So 3 minus 1 the whole square plus A minus 3 the whole square. 3 minus 1 square is 2 square plus A minus 3 the whole square. 2 square is 4. So question itself given AB is equal to BC. So which is implies root 8 is equal to root of 4 plus A minus 3 the whole square. The next step is you have to taking squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides means you get 8 is equal to 4 plus A minus 3 the whole square. So A minus 3 the whole square is equal to 8 minus 4. A minus 3 the whole square is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. A minus 3 is equal to root 4. So A minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. A minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, A minus 3 is equal to 2. A minus 3 is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 2 plus 3. So, A value is 5. Similarly, here A is equal to minus 2 plus 3. So, A is equal to 1. So, therefore, the value of A is equal to 5 or A is equal to 1. Problem number 8. This is your homework problem. The efficacy of a point A is equal to its ordinate and its distance from the point B of 1, 3 is 10 units. What are the coordinates of A? You have to find the coordinates of A. Distance is given 10 units between the 2 points A and B. So B point is directly given 1, 3 and A point is given like that. The efficacy of a point A is equal to its ordinate. So the problem belongs to page number 203. So let the point AB, A comma A and B is 1 comma 3. Distance AB is equal to 10 is given. By distance formula, D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Distance value is 10. So this will be your x1, y1 and x2, y2 value. You just apply it in the formula. You get the answer A is equal to 9 or minus 5. That is A coordinate is 9, 9 or A is equal to minus 5, minus 5. Problem number 9. The point x, y is equidistant from the points 3, 4 and minus 5, 6. Find a relation between x and y. This problem belongs to page number 203. We are taking one point, that is O, x, y, its ordinate, and the point O to A and O to B is equidistant. So they are given the A and B point. So solution, let the point OB x, y, AB 3, 4 and BB minus 5, 6. Distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Also given that OA is equal to OB. So first of all you have to find the distance of OA and distance of OB and you have to equate the two. So this is the ordinate of A and this is the ordinate of O. So let it be, this is your x1 and xy1 and this is your x2, y2. So substitute in the formula. So root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to, similarly for b also, b point is minus 5 comma 6. So which is equal to root of x minus of minus plus is plus 5 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. So the next step is you have to squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides means square and square roots gets cancelled. You get x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square is equal to x plus 5 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. So you have to expand it using the formula. This is the form of a minus b whole square. So x square minus 6x plus 9. Again a minus b whole square formula. So plus y square minus 8y plus 16, which is equal to a plus b whole square formula. A square, that is x square plus 10x plus 25 plus a minus b whole square formula. So y square minus 12y plus 36. So the next step is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 9 plus 16 is 25, which is equal to, here also x square plus y square plus 10x minus 12y plus 25 plus 36 is plus 61. So here x square y square gets cancelled. So remaining minus 6x, here you have plus 10x. So minus 10x. Minus 8y, here you have minus 12y. So it will become plus 12y. Plus 25 minus 61 is equal to 0. So it gives minus 16x plus 4y minus 36 is equal to 0. So throughout divided by 4 means you get minus 4x plus y is equal to 9, because I am taking minus 36 to right hand side. So divided by 4 means you get 9. So now we found the relation between x and y. Therefore, the relation between x and y is, I write the form as y is equal to. So y is equal to 4x plus 9. Problem number 10. Let a of 2, 3 and b of 2, minus 4 be 2 points if p lies on the x-axis such that ap is equal to 3 by 7 of ab. Find the coordinates of p. This problem belongs to the same page number 203. So let us see the solution. Given points are a is 2, 3 and b is 2, minus 4. The point p lies on the x-axis. Therefore, the point p is x, 0. Also given that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. So we are just taking AB to left hand side. AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Then AP by BP. Instead of AB we are putting BP, because if AP value is 3, that is distance is 3 and AB is 7, means 7 minus 3 it gives 4. So AP by BP is equal to 3 by 4, which is your equation number 1. Next you are taking the distance formula. Distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So you have to find the distance of AP and BP. So AP is equal to root of, this is your x2 value, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to, this is a minus b whole square formula. So x square minus 4x plus 4 plus minus 3 the whole square is 9, which gives root of x square minus 4x plus 13. Similarly, you have to find the distance of BP or PB. So this is the point of B, 2, minus 4 and P is x, 0. So this will be a x1, y1 and x2, y2 value. So which is equal to root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus of minus is plus 4 the whole square. which is equal to root of a minus b whole square is x square minus 4x plus 4 and 4 square is 16, which is equal to root of x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 16 is 20. From 1 we get AP by BP is equal to 3 by 4. Now only we find the distance. AP is equal to root of x square minus 4x plus 13 and BP is root of x square minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 3 by 4. So squaring on both sides, you get square and square root gets cancelled. This will become 3 square and 4 square. So x square minus 4x plus 13 divided by x square minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 3 square by 4 square. So the next step is cross multiplication. 4 square is 16. So 16 into x square minus 4x plus 13 is equal to 3 square is 9. So 9 into x square minus 4x plus 20. So which is implies next step you have to multiply. 16x square minus 16 into 4 is 64x plus 16 into 13 is 208, which is equal to 9x square minus 36x plus 180. So 16x square minus 9x square minus 64x minus 36x will become plus 36x plus 208 minus 180 is equal to 0. So 16 minus 9 is 7x square minus 64 plus 36 is minus 28x plus 208 minus 180 is plus 28 is equal to 0. So throughout divided by 7 you get x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. You have to split the roots. Product of roots is 4 and sum of root is minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 2. So the roots is x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. Therefore, the point P is 2, 0. Problem number 11. This is your homework problem. Show that the point 11, 2 is the center of the circle passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6, which belongs to the page number 203. So solution, distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is a figure of a circle. O is the center and ABC is the radius of the circle. So already we see one model problem like this. Example problem. Example 5.11. So similarly you have to find the distance of OA and OB and OC. Then finally check if you get the same distance in OA, OB, OC, then O is the center of the circle passing through A, B and C. So this is your homework problem. Problem number 12. The radius of a circle with center at origin is 30 units. Write the coordinates of the point where the circle intersects the axis. Find the distance between any two such points. This belongs to page number 203. Solution. Radius of the circle is given 30 units. The point O is 0, 0, that is the center of the circle. We are choosing any point in the circumference of the circle. So we are choosing a point A, that is it lies on the x-axis, that is it intersects on the x-axis. So y is 0, y coordinate is 0. So x is A. Similarly, we are taking the point B. So capital B is intersect on the y-axis, that is x is 0, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is B. So let A intersect the x-axis and B intersect the y-axis. Therefore, the point capital A is A, 0 and capital B is 0, B. First, you have to find the distance. So distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. First, you have to find the distance of OA. So x2 value is a minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, which is nothing but OA is, that is radius of the circle is 30. So 30 is equal to root a square. Squaring on both sides means 30 square is equal to a square. This is nothing but a value is 30. Therefore, the point A is 30, 0. Similarly, you have to find the distance of OB. So OB is equal to distance formula again, root of 0 minus 0 the whole square plus B minus 0 the whole square. Because the O point is 0, 0 and capital B is 0, B. So 30 is equal to root of 0 square plus B square. 30 is equal to root B square. Squaring on both sides means 30 square is equal to B square. So B value is 30. So the point B is 0, small b value is 30. So the point is 0, 30. Next, you have to find the distance of AB. AB is equal to root of A is 30, 0 and B is 0, 30. So now apply the distance formula. So 30 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 30 the whole square, which is equal to root 30 square plus 30 square is equal to root 900 plus 900, which is equal to root of 1800, which is nothing but root of 2 into 900. If you take the root for 900 means it gives 30. So is equal to 30 root 2. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is equal to 30 root 2. So thank you students. Up to this exercise 5.2 is over. Next we are going to see exercise 5.3 in the next video classes. Thank you.